Globally, more than £600 billion is lost every year due to ineffective business practices and inefficient building management systems. But there's a solution. VX Maintain, a retail-focused, computerized maintenance management system that helps you easily navigate everything from your budgets to your asset lifecycle to your service providers. Get complete visibility into your buildings and assets, and empower your team to handle day-to-day functions, in-store remodels, and even natural disasters. You can stay on top of your facility's management needs using the comprehensive dashboard on your desktop or mobile device. Save millions by using VX Maintain to manage your unplanned equipment downtime, in-store projects and repairs, service providers, and asset data like warranties, maintenance history, and repair-replace thresholds. Let VX Maintain streamline your facility's maintenance operations so you can focus on what really matters, providing the best experience possible for your customers. Click the link below to schedule a VX Maintain demo today.